Risk control in stock trading is a critically important skill. Many investors may suffer significant losses at the beginning of their investment journey due to neglect of risk control. I am here to share some of my insights, hoping to be of help to you. First of all, we need to understand that risk control is not as simple as just setting a stop loss. It involves how to set investment goals, analyze risks, allocate assets, manage investment portfolios, and even how to deal with psychological pressure. Secondly, we need to understand and accept risk. Stock investment is essentially a balance between risk and reward. We can't expect to always make money, nor should we fear losses. We need to look at risk rationally and manage it scientifically. Lastly, we need to keep learning and improving. The stock market is a complex system, and we need to continuously update our knowledge and improve our skills to deal with market changes. In summary, good risk control skills can help us move steadily in the stock market and reach our investment goals. This requires us to invest time and energy in learning, but I believe that as long as we persist, we can all find a successful path in stock trading.